Hello, this is DWC5100. We've been producing the 5100s for about 10 years. Main feature of it, it can do a 4x8 sheet. 5100 means it actually can go 51 inches by 100 inches. So it's actually a little larger, so your bits can go around those full 48, 96 inch plywood or big sheets that you get. I'm going to go over some of the features that this machine has, some new features with the automatic tool changer, ATC that is on that. This one actually can go up to 12, normally 8. It depends on how many tool holders we can put on there, but we advertise 8 tool holders on the automatic tool changer. It's air driven. These tools, they come with ER20 collet system that can go on it, and that ER20 collet system can take anything down to very, very small up to, in this case, half inch is what we provide, half, quarter, and eighth inch collets for it. That's an industry standard, so you can get any size in between it, metric and standard tools that will go in these. And these are the little tool holders that will go in. And on this, we have a button that will allow us to manually remove the tool holders if we want to load the tools that's in there, the different bits that we go. So there's a button that will allow us to do it manually. And then obviously you can do it by automatic. The main feature for this is where you can program a job where you have multiple bits and you can cut out that whole job and you don't have to be there watching it when it comes to that. The 5100 has a 3.2 kW. That's going to be roughly 5 horsepower, 4.5 to 5 horsepower motor on that. These are water-cooled, high-speed spindles that will run up to 24,000 RPMs. Another thing on our 5100s with the automatic tool changer or not, over the last couple of years, we have a closed-loop system, the drive system on it. It is rack-and-pinion on the X and the Y. The Z is a ball screw, but those are closed-loop, meaning there's feedback. So we know position and accuracy and smoothness goes up. Control systems on that. Some people like to call them servos. They are a hybrid between the stepper and that, but they do have closed loop system, as they call it. With the automatic tool changer, you actually have two types of touch-offs. You have one that's built into the bed, and what that would do is that will measure one bit compared to the next. So you don't have to calibrate the bits. The machine will do that. So what you're going to do when you put your piece of material in there, this is the touch-off that calibrates the bit that's in there to the particular project that you're going to be carving. Once you do that one bit, we have a second touch-off that will actually calibrate all the bits to that bit. So as we're doing this, we can do all this programming. We don't have to calibrate those bits in between. That touch-off will calculate the difference from one bit to the next. Even this one has automated where we touch a button, it will go down, touch off, and calibrate that to a set thickness. So this is the automatic tool changer, 8 tools. Those are ER20 collet tools that can handle all your bits that you need. The cool thing is you can set up this program and do a complete, all of it, whether it's V-carving, 3D, cutouts, pocketing, all those different operations with one program. You hit start, and then when it's finished, it's complete done. We offer our VCarve and Aspire software. It's a veteran products, and both those softwares will program for a tool changer. All we have to do is set up the post processor to handle the tool changer. So on the tool changer, literally all you're doing in the programming part of it, you're still going to program it just like you did before, but instead of creating the different programs, and you would run one, change bit, recalibrate, and run the second one. When you set up those tools, you're going to name those tools. Be number 1, number 2, number 3, and that's going to be corresponding to what tool that you have in your machine. So when it runs that one process, it's going to come to the next tool and say that's tool 2. It will automatically go through its routine of changing that tool and then continue on to your next process. VCarve and Aspire will do that automatically when you do those tool change, because in the software, you're going to name which tool has what name. The machine will recognize that when you create that program. The Digital Wood Carver family, we originally started with a high-end hobbyist, low-end business clientele. And what we've done over the years, people that have those machines have created their business and worked that business up to being a little bit bigger. And when that comes bigger, they want a little bit faster, a little bit bigger capacities and stuff like that. And that's where the 5100 and some of our other products have come into play that now they can take those projects they've done, now they can do them faster. Certainly people that make signs, you can do it in mass production, meaning that if you want, you can set up different modules, even if they're smaller signs. You can do more of one here, or you can just keep running multiple ones, especially with a tool changer like this, where you're doing 6 different signs and 6 different carvings, maybe 3 different bits. That would just go through those processes and you could do more of it. So anywhere from your people that make smaller signs up to your production people, people making furniture to cabinets to whatever you're wanting to do. One of the cool things with the whole CNC process is where you can do repeatability and accuracy of the machines. And with a tool changer, that only adds to that capacity where you can repeat them with multiple processes and whenever you're producing something. And that just basically makes your time as the operator less of you being involved where the machine does the work instead of you. Digital Wood Carver is pleased to continue to improve our product from our starts, our small units, which we still continue to produce those, and those are our highest selling products, clear up to our 5100, and we do have some products in between for more of a commercial use or industrial use. And those also come with auto tool changers, so check out those products too. But anywhere from your hobbyist clear up to your producing full business, this is what you're doing for a living, the Digital Wood Carver is for you. Digital Wood Carver is based out of Indiana, central Indiana, right between Indianapolis and Bloomington, a community called Martinsville, Indiana. That's where we produce and ship all of our products out of.